Alright, Dave Fagley. I lost the fantasy football game. I'm a man of my word. So, here goes nothing.
I'm even hurting you.
No, you're not.
I don't want to do this anymore.
Where's Krista? Why isn't Krista doing this?
I know. Thank you.
Fuck you guys.
What's your name?
Dave Fagley.
Fuck you, Dave.
You have a lot of hair, Andrew.
How's my hair looking? It's probably really bad right now.
You just aged 50 years, but we're getting there.
Damn. I'm in the wrong profession.
Krista did the right thing. I have that much hair.
Yeah, you do. I'm trying to get, like, the stuff before I get back down here. Yeah.
I feel like you hit that spot like 50 times.
I know.
Yeah, it's just,
It's thick.
yeah.
And I'll miss, like, one, like, strip. You gotta get it all off. Just wax it.
You're very graceful with your strokes.
Try not to stab you. Ah. It looks awesome back here because it's like half bald, half hair. Get that cat, right?
Oh, I got
like
that.
sexy.
Oh, it's so hot.
Am I hurting you, Andrew?
No. It just feels so weird.
You're making me do that.
How weird do I look?
I know. I just didn't want to hit his ear yet.
I know.
You look so. I don't even want to look at the front of your face. I'm kind of like doing like some funky thing right now. It's like stairs.
I can feel my head being so cold.
You feel the
It's
breeze.
the worst season to shake your head.
Fuck.
Am I hurting you?
Yeah, I'm gonna be like wearing hats and shit all the rest of the semester.
Alright, what's the deal with the swirly area?
Take it off.
Okay. Can I leave the swirly?
No.
I'm gonna leave the swirly, just for now.
You're an asshole.
Like
My
a
whole
heart.
fantasy league's gonna be seeing this.
It looks like a heart.
I don't want a heart.
They're at my need.
Sure.
I always wanted to see that. Okay. Oh my god.
Is it bad?
You just look so different.
Yeah.
It's bad.
You look like you belong in like what's a real like spot. Now you need all you need is a motorcycle.
Why? I'm I
We're
like.
gonna get a skull tattooed on
You
your
look
skull.
badass. You look like Walter White, badass. Right? Get swirly. That's your little tail.
That would be so awful if you left it there.
And you're bald.
Yeah, now you gotta get the edges here.
Should we end the video and then fix it?
the frontal. A big fuck you to Dave one more time. Fuck you, Dave.
Fuck you, Dave.
Fuck Dave.
Wow. I'm impressed with my work.
Seriously.
I didn't. Come here, Andrew. I have to fix it. Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, you have a lot of
Is
hair.
it bad?
No,
No,
you just gotta get it.
No. Do I look bad?
No, actually.
you don't. I just want to clean it. Like, it's not perfect. Okay.
Any last words?
Fuck you, Dave.
my god.